Thanks for coming to my kitchen, Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. Today we're going to learn how to make macaroni and cheese with Velveeta cheese. Let's get started.
Making my mac and cheese sauce I use the velveeta block, a little milk, the heavy milk now, and butter. Two good scoops. Fill it and melt it. But at home you can use your pot and melt it slow so it won't scorch the bottom. And then we'll have velveeta cheese and I'll see you when it melts. Stick it right in here and let it melt.
And this is on a regular barbecue pit, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay. And then we'll be right back.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We got the water boiling for the noodles.
Okay.
Add some salt.
Now now look at this. This is on the back of the pit, I'm telling you. We're working this from raw pits, real barbecue pits. So now she's pouring the...
Add my noodles.
How much did you stir in?
About about 8 cups.
And how long do you let that?
7 minutes.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll be back in 7 minutes, y'all. It's getting good.
Now we're back to check on our noodles, and they are ready.
How you know when they're ready?
They're tender. I'll try one. I got on the blue. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm letting him get these off of it.
Okay. Wait. What are you doing here? Adding butter?
Yeah.
Well, butter just brings the flavor. Oh, okay. Oh, butter keeps it loose. Oh, okay.
And I add seasoning. You can add your own seasoning. I put a little garlic salt. Creamy. Add my cheese sauce.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
After I mix my cheese well, I'll add a little milk. Probably like a cup and a half.
And what does the milk do? Make it a little soupy?
Yeah, just keep it a little loose.
Okay. So like this is a lot of macaroni and cheese for like a restaurant style, but you know, you can make it per home. You know, make your measurements and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a 12-ounce bag of macaroni and however much cheese you want, like a half a cup of velveeta cheese milk.
Ooh, that looks so good. Can't wait. Oh, you putting some grated cheese on top too? Oh my.
You can put that back in the oven if you want to toast it golden brown.
Oh, that's neat. I never thought of that. All righty. Well, I think we got it.
And put a little parsley for decoration.
Oh my! Parsley's like the cherry on top.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed how to make macaroni and cheese with simple cooking with Braden Brand. From my kitchen to yours. See you next week.